Hi, today we are going to test this Alctron PF8 filter over this AKG C414 microphone. What you are going to hear is the heavy rain noise I captured a few days ago. My roof is metal and the noise came from all directions, so this is the worst case scenario. Okay, don't waste any more time and check out the first test. We will check how effective it is, how much it blocks the rain noise, which has a broad spectrum similar to white or pink noise, and I will loop it so you can check over and over conveniently. Alright, let's go. As you have seen and heard, the noise level is reduced by 3 or 4 decibels, but I think it's not so effective around 100 to 200 Hz, and we can see the benefits from around 1 kHz and all the way up. The second test is to see how transparent it is, how it affects my voice. My mouth was few inches away from the PF8, which is the closest distance I can get before it blocks my eyes and I couldn't see my screen. I think it doesn't make sense for most people to let it cover your eyes. You might need to read the script on your screen, right? Okay, let's go. ทดสอบ 1 2 3 4 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 Here I will not give you any conclusions. I won't even tell you whether I'm happy with it or if I will keep it or not. I kept everything scientific as much as possible, and based on these results, it's your own judgment from here. Is it good? Is it worth your money? Or is it just a piece of crap? Feel free to leave comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.